Most of your crochet pieces will start with the slip knot. The easiest way to create a slip knot is to lay the yarn out, and then we're going to take the tail end and create a large loop. Now I want to make sure that my tail is kind of long. We'll use that to weave the ends in later. I would say like 6 inches. If you look where the loop crosses, you can hold that piece, and then you'll take the loop and then pull the working yarn or the yarn attached to the ball through that loop. Then you can grab the tail and the working yarn and pull until that creates a knot. That's our slip knot. You'll put the slip knot onto your hook, and then you should be able to pull the working yarn to tighten it. You don't want it to be too tight. You want the loop to easily slide on your crochet hook, but you don't want it to be too loose either. So think of it kind of like a scarf if it's really cold outside, right? You don't want to strangle the hook, but you want it up there so extra cold doesn't get in.